बेडशीट और बेड कवर का डिफरेंस नहीं पता हमें। और मैं तो फेस वॉश भी हफ्ते में एक बार लगाता हूँ एंड ऑल। मैं इतना प्राउडली बोलते हैं यार ऐसी एम्बैरेसिंग बातें लड़के। आई कैन नॉट बिलीव कि इतना पब्लिकली आप ऐसे प्रोक्लेम कर सकते हो कि मैं मुंह नहीं धोकर आया हूँ।
Hi guys, welcome back to Moment of Silence Pod. I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm Nana Bhan.
And I'm Shrija Chaturvedi. Hi. Woo.
You're already getting
Thank
that bridal sharmahat,
Oh my god, yeah.
Or
My
an-
little Mehndi is also there of some like
For
bridal.
what?
This
For
thing.
what is the
Oh, the
Mehndi?
Tej one. Oh god. I can't believe that's the first thing I've said on this podcast.
They say
मैं तीज
marriage
मनाकर आ रही हूँ।
Your fiance is Sindhi.
He's Sindhi.
Teach is a Sindhi thing, no?
Tej is a Sindhi
yeah, oh my
thing.
god.
Yeah,
Welcome to the
apparently.
family.
But yeah, bridal glow, I guess that's just my rare beauty.
Oh shit.
Blush probably adding to the glow. But yeah.
When we were offline, Shrija told us that she hasn't been on that many female first podcasts.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
finally you get to shout out Rare Beauty.
Red, I finally can mention like all the layers I put on, like which is Rare Beauty and just some Tarte concealer.
Ooh.
She's a high coverage girl.
Like it's just I heavily need eye coverage. that I definitely need. But yeah,
I can just-
it's great. Yeah.
I can picture you saying this on like the other podcasts you go on and they'll just be like, what are you talking about?
I have. I mean, on other podcasts, I've had to fight with bedsheet और bed cover का difference नहीं पता हमें। और मैं तो फेस वॉश भी हफ्ते में एक बार लगाता हूँ एंड ऑल। मैं इतना प्राउडली बोलते हैं यार ऐसी एम्बैरेसिंग बातें लड़के। आई कैन नॉट बिलीव कि इतना पब्लिकली आप ऐसे प्रोक्लेम कर सकते हो कि मैं मुंह नहीं धोकर आया हूँ। Shameful, man.
So then wait, with comics, is it bare minimum? What is bare minimum and what is princess treatment?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess just me applying. If I ever sit in usually our green rooms are at least initially used to be. अभी भी काफी सारे green rooms are male heavy. So even if I just take out a lipstick and start applying it, you can sense a certain discomfort that okay. But like everyone started doing that more and more now, and I guess this is how we're breaking barriers.
I swear,
In the
Applying a
comedy.
lipstick in
your
green
micro
room.
feminism is you applying lipstick in a
Lipstick when there's only men around me.
You should start stopping your shows in the middle for a touch up. That's when feminism will actually peak, if you ask me.
Oh man. Actually, do you all have any like I say acts of microfeminism?
This
This is
podcast is an act of micro
This is
feminism.
this is macro. Yeah.
That's only because it's 40 minutes long. Otherwise, it's all
I'll tell
micro.
you, mine is like, if I, you know how most men say female and men, I
Yeah.
say male and women.
Oh,
Like,
nice.
I was like these males and women.
Women.
Yeah. I also have a much shorter temper with men. Like I treat
Yeah,
men the way
oh,
they treat
yeah.
women.
I think that's just like a after a certain age, it becomes biological to be annoyed at men, and there it just comes from within. I don't control
like, from
it.
this.
It's here. It's coming from here.
Okay, so it's normal.
Yeah. But it's nice of you to be patient with women. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, you're not patient with
No,
women.
no, I
also.
am. ऐसा नहीं है. It's the same like even at my shows and all, like all the mean crowd interaction I'll do with the males, but all the like harmless wala crowd interaction I'll do with the females. That
I love that. But is there is there a non-feminist thought you've had recently?
non-feminist. Oh.
Yeah.
Can you all tell yours first?
Oh,
In the last episode, we actually touched upon this. I said I think women are bad drivers.
Women are. Yeah, actually, yeah, maybe because the learning is fresher, so तो वो थोड़ा earlier है अपने learning curve में, तो हो सकता है ये.
हाँ,
मैंने भी
like-
ऐसे notice किया है.
We were saying women don't care about driving, इसलिए bad drivers बन जाते हैं because we have other things to care about.
Yeah.
Like, you can't keep both your hands and your eyes occupied on one thing. फिर सब्जी कौन काटेगा?
Yeah, like as we're driving, we're thinking of the social implications and like all our social baggage that we're carrying. It makes us difficult to drive, I guess.
It's really
मैं
hard.
तो नहीं drive करती बिल्कुल भी.
I don't know if it's like what it is, but now basically every time I'm doing something that I find slightly delusional, I keep trying to make it a feminist thought. Like, yeah, of course, I need to take this shot because my foremothers didn't get to have this drink in their time,
Oh yeah, correct. Exactly. Like I will just be in the middle of this heated argument with people, and I know I'm wrong, and I'm like just floundering with my arguments, and like everyone will be like very vehemently telling me, "Hey, you're wrong," and I'll just be like, "इन्हें पसंद नहीं आ रहा है कि औरत बात कर रही है इनसे, औरत आर्ग्यू कर रही है अपने पॉइंट पे स्टिक कर रही है अनरीजनेबली, इसलिए मुझे टेक डाउन कर रहा है ये."
It's a great movie that's going in my head. I'm breaking boundaries. It's going to Sundance.
We're basically together taking feminism back, where people are like, women are so irrational. And we're like,
Dude, yeah, so many. I've seen a bunch of stuff recently where, like, which is a lot of times I'm just looking at the female character. I'm like, can you please show some self-respect? Just yelling at my screen. What are you doing?
which movie show has made you feel
This
this?
is the Too Much करके show.
Oh,
है, Leena
yeah,
Dunham
yeah.
वाला. I loved the show.
I love the show.
अब मैंने इतना binge किया and then I hated the end. Cause
Oh,
Have you watched it?
I watched the first 3 episodes.
oh shit, sorry. Then we should not discuss this.
No, it's okay. I like spoilers.
No.
I
You
actually like
it?
spoilers.
Oh,
Yeah.
actually, do you want to tell about
So
it?
basically, there's this show on Netflix. If you haven't watched already, it's really fun. It's called Too Much. It's written by Leena and directed by Leena Dunham, who
Yeah.
also did Girls.
Girls, yeah.
And it's about this like really angsty female protagonist who moves to England to kind
Get
of
her shit
get her
together,
shit together.
basically.
And she meets this dude who is like this manic pixie kind
Yeah.
of dude. Look. Or as the younger women like to call him. And then in the end, after all of this, they get fucking married.
They fucking
They
get
got
mad.
They got married.
Bro, you can't marry some guy you just meet in a.
Exactly. And the thing is, you'll have the whole journey with them because shit gets very bad with that guy. And that guy is like a total asshole in the middle of my लड़की भी थोड़ा नाटक कर रही है बट लड़का तो
वो तो
मेजर
चलता है।
asshole ही है and end में like this and there's a point in the show where he's like really taken it to the next level. Like he's just like been an absolute dick, and she's like finally be like, just leave, okay, leave my house. And then she goes and meets someone else, and she realizes, no, actually he's the love of my life. And then there's an entire sequence of her chasing that guy and going and telling him, hey, I'm sorry, but I you were actually the love of my life. I'm like, क्या पागल है क्या भाई?
I'm getting acidity thinking about her chasing after this. Please, he was also like a struggling artist or something.
He was
Yeah.
struggling.
Yeah.
Fully struggling.
Yeah, full struggling. उसके गाने वाने भी कुछ उतने खास नहीं लगे
नहीं
मुझे.
थे.
मैं
बिल्कुल
ऐसे
sad थे.
struggling artist पे British accent चिपका दो तो थोड़ा तो hot बन जाता है.
और hot तो वो लग रहा है वो बंदा शुरू में you really get charmed by him. What did you think of the end?
Of the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what do you say? Like
Yeah.
firstly, both people are messed up. Fine,
Yeah.
I'll take that. But the end was just so unsatisfying because you
Yeah.
set up these characters that are kind of against the grain of you can
Yeah.
live your life differently, and then in the end, kul mila ke everyone makes the same shaadi.
mistake. And it's
Yeah.
not even like some logical realization
Yeah.
of that, hey, okay, maybe this is wrong about, but इस तरीके से ये बंदा अच्छा है. नहीं, it's just like a basic realization. Oh, I love this guy. He's my soulmate.
So your soulmate, is he a baddie?
He's not a bad.
Is he a softie?
He's a softie, yaar. He hates it when I say that. But he's a softie, man. He's-
And what, like, when you saw him, what drew you? Where,
Oh.
how did the chemistry like ignite?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I've not
I'm
spoken much
excited.
about our story, but yeah, actually, we were very close friends. We were like besties.
Mhm.
We used to mic together a lot.
Is that a sec?
What's my
What
While
is
we
miking
would,
together?
sorry, we would go to open mics
Oh.
together.
Oh.
So we started around the same time.
Yeah.
So he was my first comedy friend.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then we would just like go to hit shows together, jam together, write together a lot.
Mhm.
So it was a friendship. And then, yeah, and then slowly it just bloomed into
Who made the
more,
first
I guess.
move?
Actually, the details of it, we are very conflicted on the details.
Oh.
So comedians are super funny, right? When does the conversation
so.
get serious? And when do you, how do you know, how do you distinguish between romantic banter and just a good joke?
Actually, sometimes, I mean, I think that adds to the romance, at least it feels, for me personally, that it adds to the romance that we're constantly joking and we're trying to, like, we have like these, whatever, we're just improving randomly in the middle of the day where we're making jokes. I mean, that's my favorite part about our relationship also. But yeah, actually, we get very serious while discussing our comedy. That's when we get most serious.
Because it's your art.
Yeah, because it's like we're really getting deep
Yeah.
into, hey, is this really funny? And then, especially when we start giving each other feedback, that gets really serious and aggressive.
Yeah, because now both your new sets are about each other, right?
yeah.
So then you
little bit.
gave actual criticism, or you were like, मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए इस set में."
Yeah, it starts with कि क्या बोल रहा है भाई मैंने कब ऐसा किया, but it's then it goes into that I think this is not a good joke.
So we have like
Craft-wise.
we
Yeah.
have a soft rule with our partners
Yeah.
that you cannot watch the podcast.
Oh
Yeah.
my god.
Because we are
Really?
annihilating them. Like we're sitting there, it's like, kya mard ka chakkar, all of that shit we're saying. And then we're going home like, hey.
Yeah.
Love you.
Yeah, you can watch the vlogs. You can't watch the pod.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh.
like, you know, obviously for the
Yeah.
gag, you have to go like the extra mile.
Yeah, exactly. मतलब some of it is exaggeration and I have to say it for the joke and
Yeah.
ताकि
Yeah.
land करे अच्छे से, personally मत लो.
Yeah.
But yeah, so this happens, like if he's there at my show and the bit about him starts, he goes out.
Really?
He goes out.
I don't know if this is TMI, but like basically, obviously, when you grow up watching films, you think like sex is
Yeah.
like this really hot, heavy
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
where you're running from one room to the other, kapde utar rahe, etc., etc. But like real life sex, there's a lot of
Awkward as fuck.
yeah, and there's a lot of like it's funny, like
Yeah.
you know, a lot of the sex talk, unless you really are standing behind it, it gets awkward.
Yeah.
So how do you manage like baby talk in the bedroom without breaking character?
Without breaking. I think we.
That's such a specific question.
such a specific-
And I don't know
You know,
why you
actually-
looked at me.
I was gonna open the question up to the room.
I also feel a little funny answering this because the team shooting this also shoots another podcast
Podcast.
with me. So I'm just thinking वो लोग जब अगले शूट पे हम मिलेंगे उस पॉडकास्ट के लिए वो लोग सोचे उधर तो क्या क्या बोलकर आ गई अभी इधर मूवीज के बारे में जेन्युइन ओपिनियन दे रही है उधर पूरा सेक्स लाइफ डिस्कस करके ओह माय गॉड
That shows your range.
Yeah. As a comment. No, but I can answer
Yeah.
that.
Sure.
I feel like I just, like, you know, it's between like action and cut, whatever happens is a performance. And then once cut happens, and I'm like, what the fuck was that? Like, I become a bhai again. So that's how you go about it. Because, you know, you just have to pretend like you're in a porno while you're having sex.
Yeah.
Like, but I don't know, sometimes it's like, sometimes the samne wala says something and you want to do like a 1 second cut. Ye kya bola? Where did this come
Take
from?
2. Can we take that again?
Actually, but that is an awkward, like in the middle of, sorry.
Yeah, because everyone wants to sound raspy, right? It's like,
you
huh?
can't hear that.
Oh my god. I think after this podcast, I'm going to have to sit with Aman and discuss this. Like, what all am I allowed to say publicly? And what all are you allowed to say publicly?
Make him meet the partner.
Yeah, I think.
Okay, let's do a thing.
Yeah.
For the sake of this podcast, whenever we're entering a territory where you're not sure, we'll give you an alter ego. You know?
Yeah.
So it's not you, it's
Yeah.
the alter ego.
It's my. It's
yeah,
my
it's
alter
Malika.
ego. Yeah.
Malika. Why
Yeah.
Oh,
Malika?
Malika का तो आपको पता ही है. She's just, you know, she overdoes it sometimes. She just, you know, abandons decency and dignity.
Slapped Malika.
She's like, you know, honestly, where do her values go at those moments? You don't know, because she's been valued a lot. बहुत values डाले हैं उसमें. उसके parents ने.
Fatherless behavior.
Fatherless
from Malika.
behavior. This Malika.
But has your wedding prep fully started?
It's starting. Like, मतलब ऐसे. It's starting. It's going to be crazy. Like, every morning I think of what I'm going to wear for like my wedding and all. And every morning it's like a different picture in my mind. Right now I'm imagining myself in like chicken curry Mukesh work and all. That's
Classy.
Lucknowi.
Yeah.
Tying into your heritage.
Yeah. I was like,
Yeah.
I want to embrace my heritage. I've grown up in Bombay only. I want to
You'll have to go in
embrace
chappal.
Safari suit.
Yeah, with some, maybe like some Banarsi and all. Karna pade. Because it's also very expensive, and bridal wear is like insanely expensive. Barter. Yeah, hey, if anyone wants to barter, happy to give you a shout out on my wedding day.
At the mandap.
At the mandap. Yeah, I'll stop the pundits. And be like, 1 second. Shout out to Shop on Rush. Shop on Rush is fully not bridal. Yeah. It's fully.
Each
different.
fera you have to like focus another accessory in the
Oh,
frame.
the fera can be like a transition reel.
Yeah.
Each fera, different outfit. Oh man, I can monetize this wedding so
You
well.
must
have
monetize
to.
the
You'll
wedding.
have both comics. You'll have to.
I think maybe we'll shoot it at this studio only. I'll do my wedding
Dream
here.
bigger.
Dream bigger.
Come on.
Yeah, you can get barter from Rambagh Palace.
Yeah.
Oh man,
हो
crazy.
जाएगा.
अभी कुछ palace atelier करके भी someone has.
Listen,
There's
all I
some-
know is brand deals are becoming more insane. So
Yeah.
you can totally barter. You can give them stories from the honeymoon. You can. I think anything's possible.
Depending on the platform, you can give them videos also.
I think
Yeah.
it'll be really cool.
Yeah, I think we need to really open up this.
Malika
I think
and
we'll
Aman.
create. Malika needs to create a portfolio. It's like a pitch. So brands.
Yeah.
आपको चाहिए क्या? But honeymoon can also be bartered. But
Honeymoon, sure. I think maybe if we hit our targets by wedding, we let the honeymoon be.
that's
What a
so
sexy
smart.
way of saying it.
Yeah, that's where we'll,
You know,
maybe.
it's a promise between a man and a woman
Yeah.
to meet their targets.
To meet the targets, to reach the bottom line.
Isn't that the goal of marriage?
Yeah, correct.
How long have you all been dating before?
Almost 4 years now.
And you all
Yeah.
had spoken about marriage, or the proposal was like a full surprise?
Then
thing?
you had spoken about marriage.
Okay.
Yeah. It was proposal happened like after like our parents had discussed and we had set up the date for
Oh.
पक्कायत होती है हमारे उसमें.
हाँ.
It's like the
like
रोका
रोका,
equivalent of like UP and Sindhis का.
Yeah.
Pakki it's called in Sindhis.
I'm not married, so I don't know. But
is
now
it,
I know.
Is it something you grew up fantasizing about, or was it as you grew older you kind of questioned?
Actually, I think right before I started dating, I was also in the zone of, honestly, I'd started getting those on my Instagram also and started reading those those articles about loving yourself and learning to be alone. Voila. I'd gone into that zone that, hey, I just want to build a life for myself. And yeah, that's what I'm comfortable with that. It's okay. Chalega mujhe.
I
And
think
then-
that is a woman's red pill, like you keep like there is something really lovely about like finding
Yeah.
a way to love yourself,
Yeah.
your rituals with yourself. But I think we've grown up on so much
Yeah.
television that the minute someone bends down and holds a
Yeah.
ring in front of you, you're like, yeah, no,
Oh.
abandon project self.
ये तो सिर्फ lonely लड़कियां बोलती हैं.
Yeah, or I don't know, maybe then before that I was giving off also like this very actually I am my most unlikable self when I like someone and I'm trying to like whatever make an impression on them. I'm just like my most pathetic and like uncool version, which is
It's women in love. No, it's like the whole like when I'm in a who's the biggest loser competition and it's just me in love.
yeah, and then I'll just randomly start like doing this thing of one moment I'll be like extremely alpha and be like I can roast you, and which is just unnecessary.
Look
Why
at me.
me? And then next moment I'm just like sahi baat hai.
Okay, I
Yeah.
think we've spoken enough
Uh-huh.
about your romantic partner
Yeah,
and your
yeah.
romantic life.
She's like, yeah.
But
मुझे बख्श दो.
you've been a successful comic. You've had a successful career for almost a decade now.
Actually, yeah, if you put it that,
Yeah.
8 years, yeah.
8 years.
I've been doing comedy for 8.5 years.
Insane.
I watched you
that's
growing
crazy.
up.
Oh no.
We're the same age.
Tell me how life has changed from your first day on trying your
Yeah.
material to now.
It's actually it's pretty crazy. I mean, like first day trying was just like I was a complete nervous wreck and all. I've changed in the sense I definitely feel more like in control. I think in comedy, especially like in a stage art form, like what you're seeing is the jokes and like whatever the performance, but underneath that there's a lot of manipulation also happening. Like there's like a lot of I guess subliminal, but
Yes.
sort of like basically you need to project this sort of vibe that you can control the room, which sometimes with a lot of female comics the audience doesn't let you do that. They're like hey, you're not able to control this room. Like ये ऐसा मुझे कभी कभी लगता था, but like slowly I feel like I've developed that skill better, that in most rooms I can go and be like this alpha on stage who can be like, hey, listen to me, I may bomb and I may not get laughs, but I can on most days. Maybe on some days I'm just like this total like timid wo.
No, but
yeah.
it's because even now, like when we go for events, right?
Yeah.
Now, of course, what you see on video is very
Yeah.
different from what's happening at the
Yeah.
event. A lot of times, like there's big A-list celebrities talking on a stage, but the audience is so hostile
Yeah.
and so not interested
They're just
that no
not-
one focuses on what that person is saying, no matter
Yeah.
what power they may bring to another room.
Exactly. Yeah.
So it is really difficult. Even if someone's come there, in theory, paid money to see you, there's
Yeah.
still a difference in them wanting to give in to you and
yeah,
submit.
yeah, exactly. Because when you're watching someone perform on stage, I don't know. Sometimes you immediately get very critical of like,
Yeah.
ये क्या हो रहा है, ये बहुत off हो रहा है, because it's live, so you can see all the flaws also very immediately. So immediately like the audience feel like, oh, we know better types, or like, hey, this ये prep करके क्यों नहीं आई है भाई, हम इधर इसको
Yeah.
अपना attention दे रहे हैं पूरा.
And
So,
do you struggle with like a younger audience?
I used to. I used to because I would only get very like condescending with them, which is also not good. Like they're not here to be schooled.
Fair.
Sorry, we had to take a quick break because the camera was malfunctioning. But
Oh yeah, I was talking about my journey. So yeah, like I was saying, yeah, एक बहुत ही हसीन मुलाकात हुई मेरी कॉमेडी के साथ, और फिर ये कारवां चलता चला गया. To go back into my journey feels very like, you know,
Okay.
self-indulgent.
I'll ask you
Indian
in a
Idol.
different way. Food Square से सबसे expensive चीज क्या खरीदी?
अब मैं हर जगह जाके avocado toast ही खाती हूँ. But, I don't like this avocado shaming that's been happening. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. I love avocado. I love guacamole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And your parents, do they have something to say about your expenditure now that
Oh,
you're
yeah.
in your
Yeah,
30s living with your family?
Yeah, when in my 30s, when my packages are still received by my father, he definitely has things to say and eyes to roll at me that again. But they're also start slowly get, at least my mom to has fully become a real girl only, and she also loves shopping online. तो वो भी अपना मुझे ही भेजती है ऑर्डर करने के लिए ऑनलाइन, एंड देन शी, तुम्हारा कितना सामान आता रहता है यार, हम पूरे टाइम तुम्हारा ही रिसीव करते रहते हैं. बट it's I was just telling a friend also the other day, it's so actually I get very attracted as soon as you put like pink and red and orange, ये सब bright colors in front of me. I will buy it, यार. I will buy it, whatever it is. It's a fridge magnet, it's a badge, it's a clay little cat. I will just buy it.
You
It's
name
cute.
3 things that are on the bottom of my priority.
yeah, I was just thinking I've
Badge.
never had the urge to buy anything that is not wearable.
Dude, I've been buying like non-wearable stuff though. Itna, my last 4-5 purchases has just been like, oh yeah, I'm not like some cat or dog person. Like I don't have a pet of my own, but like ये dog plate कितनी cute लग रही है, ये खरीद लेती हूँ. Yeah, some पता नहीं क्या क्या खरीद लिया है मैंने. बहुत कुछ खरीदा है यार. It's crazy.
Does your mom, she's a real girl, like she watches real,
She watches a lot of reels.
does she follow you?
Yeah, she follows me. She follows everything. She asks for details of everything. Like she asked today, कहाँ जा रही हो? किसका
Oh.
podcast है? अच्छा मैं देखूँगा. आता कहाँ है ये सब?
And
जाती रहती हो तो she thinks I'm lying कि मैं podcast और अपने boyfriend से मिलने जा रही हूँ मैं.
To be fair, no adult knows how to access a podcast. Not one adult knows how to access it. Every time my masi or my mommy, someone like, अच्छा ये podcast बनाती है, awards जीत रही है, पर देखते कैसे?
देखते कैसे?
कहाँ पे?
YouTube. You are there all the
Yeah.
time.
no, I didn't know that was the thing. I was gonna ask, like, we have to police ourselves often because our moms will watch it and be like, you said, like, my mom found out I went on a few dates with a guy because I said it on relationship. So she was like, where are you going? And I was like, mind your own business. But even you have to police yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also major. Matlab, quite a bit.
So what's your
major?
favorite
Like I
sex
always
position?
give like, huh? Sorry.
What's your favorite sex position?
वो सब मैं किया है. जिस चीज के बारे में मैं कुछ जानती ही नहीं हूँ, उसके बारे में मैं क्या जवाब दूँ?
Sorry, you were saying.
Yeah. Like I used to have like this whole, let's say, I won't be talking about this dating and all much and all that. Yeah, so even like for relationship for the longest time, मैं उधर झूठ अपना वो relationship status भी बताती थी, and then all that. Yeah.
मम्मी देख लेगी.
Yeah.
I used to hide my like razors from my mother. I actually
Oh,
to this
yeah.
day I've not been able to buy a thong freely because I was like my mother will shame.
Dude, now
Lingerie for sure. Like I have. On some days I wash my laundry on my own.
she struggled so hard. Bro, so
Don't come into my bathroom and it's just your
Yeah.
thongs dry.
जाओ ना तुम यहाँ से.
have you ever bought crotchless panties?
I don't know what that is actually.
I recently made a purchase. Okay. So, for context, there's this brand and they had this really nice bra that I wanted.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Now, it came as a set only.
Oh.
So, I was like, okay, fine, whatever, black thong. I got it and it's got a slit in the middle. Like it's crotchless. I have bought
Oh, for
crotchless
peeing or
panties.
For whatever you
Ease of peeing.
ease of peeing.
Sex.
Ease of peeing.
I guess you have to take
Yeah,
it
yeah,
off
yeah.
while peeing.
Yeah.
That's not the
Basic.
problem with me. Oh, thank God.
That was the issue.
Finally,
yeah.
an invention for women to use the lube easier.
It's like only for dresses. Oh man, what? I think that's what they thought the issue was.
Yeah.
Take it and wear it,
It was
again.
truly made by a man. And now I just have them at home and like sometimes my didi at home folds my laundry. I didn't have the guts to put it in my because I was like, she's gonna think I am straight like I don't even want to think about what she thinks. Like just the idea of her picking it up and going like is scaring me so much that I've kept it like literally behind all my like bags in the back somewhere. I just can't even look at them.
like just buying a maybe like say one swimsuit I've bought like और वो भी एकदम बहुत ही decent वाला है. Even that I like really hide.
Yeah.
So, if you have a box of super secret Shrija things in your house that you don't want your family to find, what does that box contain?
Yeah, but actually, my mom is not very like yes, she'll like look through my stuff and all. If something's
You
out,
are
she will
31,
definitely.
huh? Just want to say. Just want to
I'm 31. My mom is not looking into my bag anymore.
Like now, if my mom finds a lighter,
Yeah.
I'm not going to freak out.
Oh,
you know-
that I will freak out.
I won't freak out with
I
the
won't
lighter,
freak out.
but you remember in the middle there were these like personal massager brands,
Yeah.
vibrators, and they were like, oh, it's so discreet or whatever. I'm not gonna fucking keep it like a lamp in my room.
Oh
still.
no. That
Yeah.
That has to be that in a
Super secret box.
super secret box
Yeah.
in a cool dry place.
I can't. And then recently we were also discussing in Mumbai there's no privacy. Your fiance lives by himself.
Yeah. He no with a flatmate, but
But not
fair
parents.
privacy hai.
But like, do you find it awkward bringing like now y'all are engaged, but is
Yeah.
there still like a can't lock the room or anything at home?
Oh, he doesn't come home or anything.
Oh.
Why? वो सब तो literally just 2 days ago. Like this is after my parents have spoken to his parents about like shit like date locking and all. Us दिन it was raining a lot and we were heading out. And she's like, but how will you come back home? इतनी बारिश हो रही है. I was like, Aman will drop me home. He's like, but बारिश तो उसके लिए भी होगी. तो I was like, okay, I'll just call him upstairs if it's raining too much, and he can wait till it subsides. She's like, ठीक है चलो ठीक है मतलब हमें उठा देना. Just so it's not like visitation rights have been given yet.
Your wedding night also your parents are sitting in
हमें
the
उठा देना.
Your dad's just standing there.
चलो बेटा घर जाओ अभी हो गई शादी.
We had to take a big juicy break because one of our cameras again malfunctioned. But let's move on to an audience sourced part of
Oh,
this
yeah.
conversation.
So we were talking to Shrija before
Yeah.
and she did say and you vouch for me, huh?
Yes, yes.
That she's just gotten into her fashion journey.
Yeah, I said that. Yes.
Yeah. So then I was like, let's react to like impractical things in women's fashion
Oh yes.
as sourced by our audience.
Right.
Our.
Is there, our audience.
Yeah.
But is there anything y'all find specifically impractical? I was thinking
I
about
think
it.
like underwear should just have slits in it, you know.
I think they're really solving for that problem. They're on it.
I think there is something to like the way like jeans or jean shorts fit the crotch area. Like, why does it get so hot?
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah. Actually, but I was also thinking right now, women's fashion is like the most comfortable it has ever been.
yeah.
I like the more or less the trends right now because it's like very friendly to comfort.
Such as.
I show oversized stuff actually.
Hmm.
वो वाले trends.
Cargo pants.
But my main thing is everything is either oversized or cropped. There's no fitted.
Fitted is a little थोड़ा कम मिलता है.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
I'm
Where
very upset about that.
yeah,
मुझे नहीं पहनना है baby tee.
actually cropped वाला उतना I'm not on board with. Yes.
I just feel like as a 28-year-old, I can't wear a crop top. Like, I feel like the time has passed for me. Like, get me a shirt. Okay.
Yeah.
Things that piss you off. Oh, this is the
Actually,
wrong document.
material is something that's just मुझे actually polyester material नहीं अच्छा. I find it impractical in fashion.
Unfortunately, it's the cheapest
It's
material.
the cheapest. मैं वही research की फिर.
Yeah.
कि It's
Yeah.
very cheap to build.
But
But you find it in like expensive tops maybe polyester
Yeah.
hai. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the fall and all, but it's very uncomfortable as a fabric, I feel.
and also, if you even sweat a little bit, you start
It's gone.
smelling like a gutter,
Yeah.
which is really not the vibe.
Yeah. I'm a cotton girl.
Let's
I'm
go.
very cotton girl, yeah.
Fair, yeah.
So cotton cool.
I'm a cotton girl.
I'm a cotton, yeah.
This one, which I think it's a tired topic, but curious to hear what y'all think. Not having pockets or fake pockets. Like, do y'all care about that?
No, pocket I miss. If there's any outfit of mine that doesn't have a pocket, I keep like I still keep rubbing my thigh.
Really?
I'm just used to putting my hand in my pocket or shoving something in, taking out. I still just do like this double take. Oh, acha nahi hai aaj types.
Like,
But there's nothing useful in my pockets. That's the thing.
Hairband.
hairband, back pocket, wrist.
Like there's
Wrist,
only
yeah.
tissue paper and broken biscuits in my pocket.
Yeah. Like,
Because my dog needs
never seen you feed anyone's
Just-
dog
yeah,
anything.
yesterday I was at the airport, like going through immigration. I put my hand in my pocket. It was just Britannia.
Wow.
Well, are you more likely to buy a lehenga or a dress if it has pockets? Like, I'm never putting
Nahin.
anything in my pocket. It looks so bulky.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, only in like lehengas, skirts, or even dresses, pockets से वो look थोड़ी सी अजीब हो जाती है इधर. It just becomes like this one part is open like this. Especially on fitted stuff, pocket नहीं आ
Yeah,
सकता. अभी
not
क्या कर
needed.
सकता है?
I think bag chalega. Okay. Why do they not sell what goes underneath the top with the top?
Yeah. Oh man, this
Gang,
person has
gang.
hit the nail on the head. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've bought stuff and it's kept because shameez नहीं है.
Hey, Kusha Kapila.
Underneath चाहिए मुझे.
Luckily, like we are not like very big breasted.
Speak for yourself.
Sorry, I.
Oh, 38 double Z.
So it's still easier because you can just like put on pasties and move around.
Yeah, I can't do that at all. That's why when you mentioned also, I called for a bra from an Instagram bra. I was like, that's such a luxury. I'm like, केक ब्रांड मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर के पास है बस अब. I should not be mentioning so many brands.
No, it's okay.
But yeah,
Yeah.
basically I'm like, yeah, I'm married to this now. I can't
Yeah.
like I'll hardly. I really need to try a lot before I'm able to get the like perfect size.
Is it difficult to like exercise because again with like sports
Yes.
bras, trainer bras?
Yeah, that's what like मतलब
Interesting.
this is also इधर भी मैं अपना फेमिनिज्म
घुसाओ यार.
घुसा देती हूँ कि तुम लड़कों के लिए इजी है, तुम्हें एक्सरसाइज करने का मन कर रहा है, तुम चले जाओ ऐसे ही, जो टी शर्ट पहने उसमें भी जा ही सकते हो. बट आई हैव टू चेंज माई एंटायर अटायर
I agree.
एंड गेटिंग टू स्पोर्ट्स ब्राज इज वेरी टफ.
And the thing is, men, it's so easy to dress, but they still don't look well put together. In the gym,
Sick.
हम ढूंढते हैं ना bra. What do you think about watches as an accessory?
I love watches, yeah. Matlab, actually, there was a time that was the only accessory I wore. Like that, it made me feel very adult.
And now it's
Watches.
the
Now it's
fat
great.
diamond.
Yeah.
Well, it's great because Gen Z cannot read time.
They-
I have
just
2
cannot.
watches on me actually.
Yeah, and read the time.
That's a very personal question. I just think reading time is an obsolete skill.
That is not what you said offline. Offline, you said by the time I read it, the time has changed.
Because I don't know how to read time.
I'm sick. Okay, I'm sorry. I love Gen Z, but you guys have taken all the cool things about the millennials, given them shit, and then try to like yassify it. Okay, whether it's filter cameras or like cyber short pixels and like kind of these like low quality
Yeah.
things, and then you take watches and you turn them into jewelry.
I think you're just jealous of my drip, which is Pose by Sonata. And it looks really cool. And I'm so sorry. I think jealousy is a disease and you must get well soon. By 10:10, which is in 10 minutes.
Oh man, that's a t-shirt line. Jealousy is a disease.
I deserve that one. I'm just gonna take it.
You can also take yourself to the Pose by Sonata website and get our cool accessories. And honestly, comment down below. Thank you, Shrija, for just being so beautiful during this brand integration.
Absolutely. I love watches. Thank you, Sonata.
All yours.
This is very cool, yeah.
Here,
ये बड़ा cool looking है.
Now give your ring.
Oh, I had a hearty laugh.
So that day, I went to meet someone. Like I went on a date and I was wearing like a bunch of
Yeah.
rings, and I purposely put one on my left hand ring finger because I thought like everyone around will think I'm engaged to this person.
you should wear this on your ring finger.
Like, hey, it's time to propose. Like, hey.
No, but I've always loved watch jewelry. My grand aunt gave me a ring watch, and I thought it was the
Oh.
coolest thing.
That's
And
so cool.
Yeah, I gate kept it till Sonata
Launched it
fully
official,
launched it.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, they're the only ones doing this.
Yeah.
Your great aunt didn't give it to you. Pose by Sonata is the only one doing it. It's fashion forward. Gen Z loves it. And honestly,
Millennials secretly love it and want to buy it too.
that's why she's not giving it back. Okay.
Let's move on.
Next impractical thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fake buttons. The top seems like it can be opened.
Oh yeah, I
But-
hate it. Your crowd is really good, dude. Your
Yeah.
audience is very smart.
सब problems हमारे crowd को ही है. Don't stress.
More than fake buttons, it's an Indian thing that's passed down through time. 100 buttons. You know,
Wow, yeah.
like those shirts and kurtas that have 100 buttons going
Yeah.
down.
It's too
Like-
much.
And also, why do like blouses have hooks at the back or zips? You know, like
At the back, yeah. But वो सामने फिर untidy लगता है.
so anyway, your pallu's going on top.
But
Not in this
sometimes not
house.
really.
No, but another thing irritating is buttons instead of zippers on
Oh.
jeans.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, I have this one jeans like this. I really उसका fit अच्छा है, but I hate it that उसमें zip नहीं है. It's just like
Yeah.
I don't understand why you mess with the basics. Like, what are you trying to achieve? Are you trying to like get into my washroom thoughts or something? Ki I want to stay with this person while she unbuttons to go to the washroom. Like
You
what?
think there's a
Why you-
secret camera there or something?
Why are you elongating my contact with your cloth? You're on my body, dude.
Bro,
Fucking-
I just realized, you know, when you're like in a public bathroom, I realized that people, like when I'm waiting in line, people flush and immediately come out. So I was like, fuck, I am flushing, then I'm buttoning my stuff, and then I'm coming out. So people will be like, what is she doing? So I started like buttoning everything and then flushing and going out. But then I still had to wash my hands, and I was like, how are they washing their hands so fast? Maybe they like flush after washing their hands. That's gross. So then I started flushing like with a tissue because I was like, I also want to follow this bathroom etiquette. And then I realized people are not washing their hands.
What?
Yeah.
Gals also.
Gals also. The way they immediately flush and then they're out of the bathroom, obviously, unless they're doing the same mental gymnastics I am.
If you're in your house, you don't need to wash.
Let's relax. What do you mean?
Like
No.
your house is clean,
No.
and I only
घर
pee
के germs
daisies.
तो germs नहीं होते हैं, I guess.
That's-
Yeah.
But if you're in a public loo, at least put the lid down, yeah, when you flush.
What?
Yeah,
Oh.
Who wants to touch the lid?
use your foot.
That's.
Yeah.
Don't put your foot where my ass goes.
I'm not putting it on the seat, I'm putting it on the lid.
And then how do I pick it up with my foot? What if I'm wearing chaps? She's gross.
No, but like even
No, and then they
it's
don't wash their
difficult to
hands.
once the lid
No,
is
then I
shut.
wash mine.
It's difficult to get it under your foot to lift
Yeah.
it.
Like I'm not putting my foot in the toilet
But then
bowl.
it just blasts the germs through the.
The germs
toilet.
are there in the bathroom no
हाँ,
matter.
वो तो आपको हाथ इसलिए ही तो धोने पड़ेंगे.
Yeah, but नहीं धोते
या
हैं
लाइक
लोग.
हाँ मुंह पीछे flush कर.
Mask.
It's still on you. That's what I don't understand. Why can't they give, like in women's restrooms, why can't they give you some handles to hold on to so that you don't sit on the seat?
Because that's really bad for your pelvic floor.
Yeah, but the seat is bad for your.
No, actually, you
Crotch.
can't get a UTI
Yeah,
from
from
sitting on a toilet seat. And anyone who
But
thinks
it's-
that,
I don't think you can get a UTI
Yeah,
from sitting
from
on a
it.
toilet seat. Some people piss all over the seat. I'm sorry.
but if everyone sits, then no one pisses on the seat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Everyone sits. It's the fucking floaters like you that are pissing on the seat. Like, I don't want piss on.
Okay,
We're on
one
the same
second.
page of not
comment,
pissing on
handle, or comment.
the comment pelvic health.
Yeah.
We're on the same team.
Yeah, I think every उधर at least 2-3 tissue rolls होने चाहिए to like
Yeah.
just do the whole wiping business.
Mhm.
It's just I've surrendered my fate to just being this toilet vigilante who has to wipe.
Same,
Yeah.
same. Yeah, because
I have to, man. It's just क्या
Yeah.
कर सकते हैं?
are you a sitter or a floater?
It's not a flat.
If it's like
Hoverer.
horribly dirty, like Mumbai Pune highway wale toilets, then floating is the only option you have.
I'm a dehydrator.
I'm a dehydrator, dude. I dehydrated
Yeah.
so hard on vacation,
Yeah.
I got a UTI.
Yeah.
But I don't want to sit on the seat.
It's like ठीक है भाई, I'll take the UTI, I'll take the medication.
Yeah.
बस इस पे बैठना
बैठना
नहीं है
नहीं है.
मुझे. It's dirty.
I can't afford a UTI. I'm stressed about it already.
This UTI is a legit issue.
Yeah.
It is.
UTI बहुत genuine issue है यार. It's just leaked into my everyday conversation now. And it was so too much. में एक ये बहुत अच्छा वो scene था. Where she just like very in-depth discussing UTI. I was like, wow, she really normalized this conversation
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
That was nice to see.
Another ick that I have is like, you know, in movies when they have sex and they have a fight after, immediately the girl just wears her clothes and leaves. Who has to? You have to pee
You
after
have to
sex.
pee afterwards, man.
You don't want a
yeah.
UTI. That's why I used to like the show Girls. In that झगड़ा करते करते भी वो पी तो कर ही
Yeah.
जाती.
Well, Lena Dunham, yeah, she
हाँ.
really seeds these things, like you
Yeah.
know, like everyday women habits that no one's talking
No
about.
one's
Yeah.
talking about. Yeah.
And now us.
Now us, yeah.
Us and Lena. Truly.
Just, culture, mavericks.
Another like impractical thing is, why are the cups in like sports bras and swimsuits and all of that movable?
Yeah.
Remove. I don't like it at all.
No.
Oh, God.
It's like then you have to like put your hand into the hole and
Yeah,
finger it, and then
yeah.
no one's satisfied at the end of it.
I hate it too.
Yeah. But what is something that is impractical but it looks so good ki 20 saal maybe it's going to be there.
Corsets, I
Oh.
guess.
Yeah, same.
Corsets. I think I've always seen a picture of someone wearing a corset. Maybe this looks beautiful, but it's definitely not comfortable. It doesn't look comfortable at all.
It's not.
I've never worn one.
Oh my
I've not had
God.
the guts to wear.
Corset sari at your wedding.
Corset lehenga.
The corset just shapes your body too well.
Beautifully.
Yeah.
Especially lehenga. Flare के ऊपर तो corset is
What are you doing this
beautiful.
weekend? Let's put you in a corset.
Corset. Yeah, I guess, yeah. I'm free. Let's do this. Let's get it out of the way. Corsets and underwires also. I hate underwires.
Dude, I mean, I've not felt a bra for like more than 5 minutes in years. I just put it
Yeah.
on before sexy time and then the guy will do
Perfect,
that. And that's it. Then I'm waiting. Yeah.
Crazy, yeah. What a life you have, yeah. That's
Yeah.
beautiful. You've really cut out a lot
I'm
of.
not cut out. I've not
It was
been
cut out
blessed with
for me.
anything to cut out.
Man, underwire, especially as a person who slouches, who has very bad posture, underwire fucks me up, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Is
fuck me up.
No, of course it fucks you up.
Yeah.
In the summer, I can imagine in like Mumbai
Yeah.
heat and stuff. But I think a lot of women who are have been going through breast reduction surgeries, which I think is not talked about enough because it's such a great thing you can do for yourself to
Yeah.
reduce back pain, to just reduce
Yeah.
overall baggage.
Yeah, in fact, the only person I know about publicly was her name is
Ariel
Ariel
Winter.
Winter.
Yeah.
Who like really spoke about it and like
Yeah.
did it, and I was like, yeah, this needs to be spoken about, yeah.
I
Like,
also.
it made
I'll get breast reduction, guys. I know you can't focus on anything other than my
Get us to 100K.
huge knockers. You're laughing too hard.
I realized I really laughed a bit too hard on that. I immediately looked at Dana. She was laughing.
Okay.
Sorry.
And that is when I will end the episode.
Okay, we're close to the end of this episode.
We are close. Just as a close, do you want to give us one popcorn of your week and one flopcorn?
Oh, okay. Popcorn of my, like, what I liked watching,
Like,
right?
Anything. Like, what's a
your-
good thing that
what was
happened
the
to you?
highlight of your week?
Oh, that way. Okay. Oh, I have to really think about. Can you all also give yours?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Should I give mine?
Yeah.
Okay, my popcorn is that I had an amazing vacation in Paris and I'm in my lover girl era. And my flopcorn is that when I was coming back, I was seated very close to the toilet and there was just some heinous gas situation happening. That was the most amazing way to just snap out of my holiday mood.
Welcome home.
Every spice of India.
My flopcorn was that I had a fall.
Oh yeah.
Like an old lady. I had a fall this
Washroom
week.
mein?
नहीं.
Bathroom?
Raste pe. I just when I slipped and I fell and my dog thought he was being attacked, so he tried to attack me.
Oh.
And "You're my love," my love was playing in my AirPods, and I was so ticked off. But I'm fine now. And unfortunately, this week I do not have a popcorn.
No, that's not true. Come on. No popcorn.
नहीं है तो नहीं है.
What about
Kuch
such a beauty?
relative
You're looking
popcorn.
stunning. Your beautiful blowout.
What does that have? I had to wake up early and get it done. It's okay, but it's okay.
Sakshi is like a 3-time relationship advice champion.
I'm gonna get so much hate on that episode that it's
Who
gonna.
cares? Fair.
Shrija, what is your popcorn
Oh
and
man,
flop
yeah. Have I been living a monotonous life?
Listen, you did
Yeah.
get engaged, just letting you know.
Yeah, I got engaged, but it's been a while.
Fair. Your fiance was allowed to come into your house.
My popcorn. Okay, I guess I got a gig locked last week. That's for popcorn. Some money for popcorn.
Ooh.
Yeah. And flopcorn. I'm really sorry. guys.
No,
I'm really
no.
struggling.
That's
She's
amazing.
perfect. She has an amazing life. No complaints.
Nice.
Shrija Chaturvedi.
Shrija Chaturvedi,
Thank you.
everyone.
Living an immaculate life.
Looking
but yeah.
stunning.
I start my tour this month. I'm doing Dubai on 31st. Yeah, I start my tour with Dubai and then hit back home next week on the week after that. So touring like a bunch of cities.
What's
Like-
your material about?
Actually, it's a lot about my boyfriend,
Fiance.
my fiance. Oh God, yeah. I have to correct that in my show. Yeah, so that and like there's some bits about Instagram. A lot of bits about men actually in this one.
We're sad. Our audience will love it.
Comment Sakshi 10 for 10% off on the ticket.
No, but definitely check out Shrija's tour. I know I'm
Yeah.
excited.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
And also subscribe to wherever you can subscribe to Shrija.
yeah,
And also while you're at it,
yeah.
subscribe to Moment of Silence also.
yes.
And then bye now.